We'll start this practice from a comfortable seat. Seated cross legs if that feels okay for you, or any other way that you prefer to sit. Just take a few breaths, grounding and centering yourself, preparing for your practice. When you're ready, go ahead and stretch your arms all the way up high towards the ceiling. Interlacing your fingers, stretch your palms up. And exhale, just let your arms gently fall by your sides. A couple more times like that. Inhale to lift and reach. Interlace the fingers, give your fingers and wrists a little stretch. And exhale, twist to one side, doesn't matter which, we're gonna hit up both sides. Just turning to look over your shoulder. Inhale, come on back to center, interlace your fingers and reach, push up, stretch up. Exhale, twist to your opposite side. Come on back to center, both arms lift, reach, and extend. And placing one hand on the mat, take a side stretch. Opposite arm will lift up and over your ear. Both arms lift up. Exhale, place the opposite palm down and lean towards your other side. Nice big inhale up high towards the ceiling, arms reach, stretch, interlace the fingers, and fold forward over your legs. Feel the stretch in your back. Slowly walk your hands back in towards your shins. Reverse the cross of your legs, bringing your opposite shin in front if you're in seated cross leg. Take some easeful neck rolls, clockwise, counterclockwise. Inhale, arms lift and reach. Interlace your fingers, press the palms up. Reach up, extend up, feel your sides get long. Exhale, arms gently fold by your sides, placing one hand on the mat, other arm lifts up and over your ear. And we reverse that. Opposite arm lifts up and over. Interlace your hands, interlace your fingers, pressing up. Exhale, twist to one side, turning to look over your shoulders, stretching from your neck all the way to your back. Inhale and exhale, gentle twist. Maybe taking a bit deeper twist, looking further over your shoulder. Bring it all back to center, both arms stretch and reach. Interlace your fingers, fold forward, palms come down in front of you. Slowly walk your hands back in. And we'll make our way to tabletop, hands and knees pose. To stretch out our toes and our calves. So go ahead and extend one leg long back behind you. Keep your toes tucked on the ground so you feel the balls of your feet stretching depending on how tight your calves are. You're going to feel this in your calf. And go ahead and bend that knee, take it out to the side, take it in circles. Apologies, the homie is standing in front of me just for a moment. I think he's going to walk past again. But no worries, just focus on your knee going in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, getting in that hip. Opposite leg will extend back behind you. Tuck your toes, press out through the heel, feel the calf engaged. And then when you're ready, go ahead and bend that knee and take it in some circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, really working into that hip joint. Both knees come back to the mat just for a moment. Tuck all 10 toes underneath, press into your palms, and lift your knees up off the ground just about 6 inches or so. And exhale, gently lower. Toes stay tucked. When you're ready, press into your palms, lift your knees just a few inches, strengthening here. And exhale, gently lower. This time as you tuck the toes and you lift your knees a bit higher. Keep a deep bend into your knees as you just rock your hips left and right, side to side. Maybe you pedal out your legs, bending one knee and then the other, getting a little hamstring stretch in there. And exhale, gently lower the knees down. Untuck your toes and have a seat on your heels. Arms will reach up, stretch up high towards the ceiling, and exhale, fold forward over your thighs for a child's pose, and rest here to close out your practice. Thank you so much for joining me.